everyone, I'm Devina and I'm the admin of the Page People House, and I'm starting this IGTV series. So, in this first video, I'll be talking about the art of reading. I did a poll on Instagram recently where I gave my followers two options. The first was the art of reading, obviously, and second was book reviewing. So 78% of the people wanted a video on art of reviewing. So let's get started on that. So in this video particularly, I'll be talking about what is reading, why one should read, what are the benefits of reading, and how to start if you're a beginner. So let's get started. So when it comes to reading, there are four types of reading. There is scanning, skimming, reading, intensive reading, extensive reading. But all those things are basically for the academic purpose. When we talk about reading as a pleasure, why one should read? You can't read like you are skimming or scanning. That's a quick read. What basically reading for pleasure or for knowledge or wisdom means to read each and every word, each and every story, each and every prose, poetry, novel, fiction, non-fiction, for your own benefit and to inherit the qualities of the character or the text which has been provided. That is what reading is all about. And many people do this mistake that they see others reading and they pretend to read, but actually they don't read. They finish a book, but they know nothing about the book. The thing doesn't go deep into them. So that's not reading. That's not the kind of reading we are going to deal with. What we are dealing with is the kind of reading which is like meditation. Reading for me is like a meditation. I can't live without it even for a day. I need to read 5 to 10 pages daily, or even a book if I have the time. So many people ask me, how can I read so many books? How can I finish a book in one sitting, two sitting, whatsoever? So simple answer to that is the love and the peace that you get after you read a book. It's a habit now. So I need to read. It's like breathing. And if I read a book, I don't need to meditate, because reading is like a meditation for me, and I think it is for all the readers we have all around. One more thing, that people often say this art of reading, a dying art of reading, which I totally disagree with. This art is still alive and it will be till the end of the time. I have so many bookstagrammers, readers around me on Insta, in real life. So I don't think it's dying, because I still see people going crazy over the book sales, pre-orders, signed copies, vintage collection. So it's not a dead art and it's not there for nothing. Okay. So a question also pops up, that why one should read. Well, there are very good reasons. So the first one is it enhances your creativity. When you read a book, you develop a new perspective, a new point of view, a whole new world opens up in front of you. It could be a fantasy world, sci-fi world, horror world, any world, okay? So that's a very good point, because if you read a new book, a new story, every time you will discover something new. Be it a new place, be it a new character, be it the qualities of protagonist or antagonist, you will definitely learn something from them. And reading definitely imbibes you with great qualities, moral qualities, which are a must for humans. So that is a very great point. Second point is that it increases your IQ level, and this has been proven. So you may also Google it if you want. The third point is, in the old age or during old age, it helps to cure Alzheimer's disease, which is also proven. So you may Google it. That are 3 bloody good reasons why one should read. The fourth is, books are man's best friend. Today, in this world of fake people, two-faced people, we can't trust anyone around us, So who can we trust? Definitely books. You will feel they are your guardian. Like, I feel that I belong with them. They belong with me. I have a sense of belonging, because I know at the end of the day, I have someone, I have something in which I can pour my soul into, or I can dedicate my time, dedicate my, what should I say? Dedicate myself to them. So books are that, you can say, abode for me. Reading is like a meditation, and it will always be. Now, when people ask me why one should read, because today we can say the adaptations of almost every book is made, and still in the process we can watch a movie. Why to read a book of 300 to 500 pages when we can watch a 2-hour movie? Well, it's totally absurd. Let me tell you, if you start reading the book, you will see the vast difference a movie and a book has. Like, for example, the simplest and the most easiest example to relate to is the Harry Potter series. It has 7 books but 8 movies. One more part is added up. See? But still, the whole 8-movie series cannot cover the whole story of Harry Potter as it has been described in the book. And when I have read the book, because Harry Potter came when I was a kid, and I didn't used to read at that time. But when I read the book, and then I saw the movie, and it completely changed my point of view regarding the movies. It did. Like, there are so many scenes cut off. The essence is lost. So same is the case with every movie. For Indian readers and maybe watchers, I can say, if you have seen 2 states and read 2 states, you will by Chaitanya Magar, then it would be very clear to you that the movie is not as good as compared to the book. Similar cases with all the books. You can't even name one book which has outdone one movie which has outdone itself in the area of portraying the characters, the story, the plot, and everything. So that is a very good reason to read a book. And I read an interview of J.K. Rowling, and she said that if you don't like to read, maybe you haven't found the right book to fall in love with. And I totally agreed. Because if you start reading and you don't know what to read, then it's totally absurd. What would you be reading? You don't know even how to read. And if you pick a book, you read 10 pages or even 2 pages and you got bored, then I don't think you'll be returning to read. So it is very important to pick a right book if you are a beginner. So picking a right book is very easy. Just think, what kind of movies do you like to watch? Whether you like historical dramas, you like fictions, you like sci-fi movies, you like romance, rom-com, whatever. And then pick up that genre of the book. And I think then you will enjoy reading it. And if you don't want to be bored, I will suggest that don't pick a non-fiction instantly, because it tends to bore almost most of us most of the time. So pick a fiction book like mythological and fantasy, like Harry Potter or Game of Thrones or Hunger Games, Narnia. Pick books like that. So that would be my suggestions for all the beginners. Start with reading fictions, not non-fictions, and gradually move to non-fiction, philosophical books, meditation books. Then you will imbibe them. And so this is all about the reading and why one should read and how one should read. So as promised, I'm going to share 3 books which you all must read. First is the Japanese Secret to Long and Happy Life, which is Ikigai. This is a must-read book if you want to know what is the purpose in your life. This book will help you and guide you throughout. Second is Metamorphosis by Kafka. This book is for everyone who believes they can't do a thing. Read it and it will change your perspective. And the third one is a very recent one. I'm sure many must of you have seen or heard about him, Jay Shetty. Read his book, Think Like a Monk. It will definitely help you improve your lifestyle and the way of thinking. Also listen to his podcast and YouTube channel, so that will also be a lot more helpful to all of you. So guys, that's it in the video. If you want anything else to be discussed, you can message me. If you want any book review, you can also message me on my Insta ID or on my email. And if you want any book review, you may also ask me for that. So happy reading, and I will see you in the next video. Let's hope so. And I think the next will be on book reviewing. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care and stay home.